place within ourselves of, you know, probably not connected to our family or friends or whatever, but it's connected to the idea that, you know, more money will be able to buy us happiness and these sorts of things. Whereas, and I think this is one of the central challenges for our generation, is to promote people that are connected to what it is to be a part of this planet, you know, with that global perspective.
It's just, you know, so the re-evaluation of what we are. I mean, personally, I think it actually requires us as a species to reconceptualise ourselves. We have to rethink what it actually means to be a human being. It's not even as simple as values, because our whole evolution is about battling with nature to sort of survive. But it's tipped, hasn't it? We're capable of destroying nature. We have to get rid of that accumulation gene.
If you take those two together, dualism, atomism, materialism, anthropocentricism, greed and economism, we have, and take each, the first letter of each of those 6 categories, then you have D-A-M-A-G-E, in short, damage. And I think that's what we first have to realize. Our perceptions of the world as we should see it now and in the future comes from a legacy that has done a lot of damage to us. But if something is damaged, it doesn't mean it's dead or so. It's only damaged, dented. It has somehow lost its vitality to really make sense of the world. Having said this, right, about Europe being so guilty, if you like, of creating a worldview that's, of course, not conducive to a caring environment. If you think of the damage together, what it does to our relationship, how do we define our relationship to the natural world?